Hello there, YouTubers. Today, I'm going to be showing you a fully white Hunter ceiling fan. And YouTubers, this is the ceiling fan in our living room. It's the one, guys, that, this is the only ceiling fan in our house, YouTubers. And YouTubers, I don't even know the Hunter ceiling fan name. It's not a Hampton Bay, it's a Hunter ceiling fan. And this ceiling fan has a little down rod. I don't know what the name, but if you guys tell me in the comments below, if you guys want you to tell me what the name is, then I'll change the title. I'll just call it Hunter Unknown Ceiling Fan. I'll just call it a Hunter for now. So this ceiling fan needs to be in the living room. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. It's not on. So this fan has 3 speeds: low, medium, high. I'm gonna start from low to high. So there. Here's low. You can see the chain moves a lot because of the wind, because it blows a lot of air when it gets faster. So that's low. I'm gonna show you low. And thank you for 100 subscribers, YouTubers also. Okay, that's low speed. I'm gonna show you. That's low. I cannot reverse the fan because I can't reach enough. It's very high. So right now that's low speed. YouTubers, I know he made a video of that dirty ceiling fan where he taked out the blade and made a second video. I know guys, this is not part 2 actually. I'm gonna be deleting my recent one. So guys, that's kind of a little bit of low speed. Now I'm gonna turn it on to medium. And it also kind of moves that thing where the switches. That's medium. That's the point where it starts to wobble, and the chain will also move, and it will not stop moving. That's medium. Kind of looks like a average low, almost likely. As you know, you can see that's medium. It's not high. It kind of looks almost like a high speed, but mostly no. That's kind of, I'm gonna show you kind of a little bit of medium. So medium, guys, that's the point where it starts to wobble, but it doesn't wobble like bad. It just wobbles a little, not bad. And also the chain moves and won't stop wobbling. I mean moving left and right like that, as you can see. And it used to have a little bit of a longer chain, but now it no longer does. You can see. Yeah. Guys, medium kind of looks a little bit of kind of like a high, almost kind of low. Kind of some fans look like medium like this. Now the last speed will be high speed. I'm not going to be reversing the fan, guys. So now here's high. High is the speed where it starts to wobble the most. Here's high. And also the chain will move left and right super fast. You can see now it's going super fast. As you can see, like look at the blades. You can see chains. It's already starting to wobble a little bit more. Hold on, guys. Let me see if that time. Hold on, guys. Is that medium? Oh, it's high, I think. So that's high speed. It's moving a little bit slower because it usually slows down every time. I turn on the candle, I turn on the fan, we get everything organized and set up. So you can see it kind of starts to slow down, but it's actually a high speed for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's like, I'm sorry YouTubers that I'm talking so close. And it starts to wobble, but if I slightly move the camera, and if I zoom in, can you see it wobble? Maybe you can't, guys. So I'll put that back to normal. So you can see the chain won't stop swinging like a swing. There's the fan. I cannot reverse it because I'm not tall enough. So guys, you may notice that this fan does have a slowdown. Depends how fast it runs on the highest speed. So I always run it on high speed instead of low, medium or low. You can see I'm running. High speed is going great. And guys, the chain I already can reach because it's long. And the funny thing is that it's like a swing. And it always slows down for some reason. I don't know why. The speed kind of starts slowing down on high. Because one day, like 2 days ago, or last night, guys, medium and high wouldn't work. Only low speed would work. Now, guys, you can see this thing is swinging in circles. Now, I'm gonna show you one more time. I'm gonna show you off. Here's off, guys. It's gonna take a little bit of a long time for the fan to stop because this ceiling fan has been here for a while. Not a long time. I think it's just been this fan just has been recently installed. You can see like is that off? Yes. And then it usually stops swinging the long chain until the wind goes away. The wind stops until the wind stops. All that strong wind. You can see the blades have like a half of a cracked ring also. Now you can see it's starting to stop swinging. And if you guys know what this Hunter ceiling fan name is, the Hunter ceiling fan name is, like the name of it, because there are different types of Hunter ceiling fans, like named like Encaso, Nova ceiling fan, those names and stuff. Now I'm gonna show you the speed one more time, guys. So how did show you. Here's off. It doesn't do anything, so that means this chain won't stop swinging. Now I'll show you low at first. Here's off. Low. Low doesn't wobble at all. Low. The only thing medium is the point where it starts. It even blows so much air, guys, that the chain won't stop until I usually want to stop the fans. See? Here's low. Low speed isn't, and it also has a little bit of a startup sound. I kind of heard it. It only works until I turn on the fan. I hear a startup sound on each. Depends on each speed. So I'm gonna ignore that burp noise, okay? But we're not talking about burping. Low speed actually is good. The only thing I don't like about low speed is it just blows okay. A lot of air. Maybe just okay amount. But medium, it starts to like blow loads of air. Maybe like a lot of air. But lots means that it's so cold that you're freezing already. So guys, we always keep the fan running this way. Now I'm gonna show you YouTubers. Okay, do not do any ceiling fan tricks anymore. Because Stuntman 89 or Stuntman, yeah, he did 2 ceiling fan tricks. One was the tomato, 2 was the donut. Now I'm gonna show you medium. So how many times do you have to pull it? You have to pull it 3 times. Here's medium. And I know the fan will go a little bit crazy. Maybe not, no, it won't go crazy. Kind of looks like a average medium, like a second low. This fan has 3 speeds. If you include off as a speed, it wouldn't be nothing. And I will keep the fan running because I thought it was already on low, but it wasn't. It kind of looks like a low 2 to me, because if you guys look, if I like tilt my phone, you can see it's slightly wobbling. Can you see it wobbling? Oh, sorry, I'm focusing with my phone. No, you can't see it wobble at all again, as you know. And now, YouTubers, you may know that this fan was always here. I think these actually were just installed, like what I just said. Let's see. Okay, YouTubers, I'm sorry that the camera's like moving. Okay, there. I won't like do anything. See, medium kind of looks like a low 2. And you can kind of see the thing. This kind of reminds me of the fan, the blades dancing, and also the chain dancing as well. If you think so, let me know in the comments below if you think it looks like the blades are dancing and the chain is. It also kind of reminded me of a spinning roller coaster. Now I'm going to put it on to high, so you have to pull it 3 times again. This high, this is the point where it wobbles the most. And it's going to go a little, the string will wiggle because of the middle part where it's attached to. And I know this fan is pretty. I think these were just probably recently installed. So I have a feeling that we need to tighten the fan, maybe. Will this video upload, YouTubers? I'll delete my recent one because I forgot to tell you something. Now, YouTubers, this fan also slows down every time in the day. Like in afternoon, it kind of looks like a medium. Here's high, but it doesn't. It looks like a high, but when you look by yourself like this, it kind of looks like medium. But through the camera, it looks like a high. You can see. Excuse me. Can you see it slightly wobbling on high? I think it just wobbles a little. Maybe I just kind of help the wobble stop. Okay, there's the high speed. I might keep it running because the reason why is that that's my job. You can see that's the fan running. So guys, this fan was just recently installed. As you can see, it's like a spinning roller coaster. Tell me if it's like a spinning roller coaster, and don't forget to tell me what kind of Hunter ceiling fan name, like the name of it, like a Hampton Bay. That's the name of a ceiling fan. Tell me the name in the comments below, in the descriptions and comments, and tell me. But if someone said the wrong name of the Hunter fan, I'll just see if I'll just answer the right person. Okay. So there you have it, YouTubers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike, and of course, don't know it. Peace out. And don't forget to subscribe too, and rate, like, and dislike. So bye, YouTubers. Have a great day.